I'm going to try to start talking very clearly and slowly, because the automatically generated captions have been very interesting, but less than 10% correct. So here is our next problem, density. So here's another one where we have to convert the unit on top and also the unit on the bottom. So the unit on the top here in the numerator describes mass. So we want to convert mass in kilograms to mass in pounds. So that is a pretty easy one-step conversion. So just worrying about the top part, not even thinking about liters and centimeters cubed, we can come up with an equality, and this is a handy one to memorize if you don't know it already. 1 kilogram equals 2.2 pounds. So once we do this first step of our conversion of density, we can then worry about the volume on the bottom. So we're going to convert a volume in units of liters, and the way that sounds best to me to do this, the way that makes sense to me the most, is to go from liters to milliliters, because I know there's 1,000 milliliters in 1 liter, and then go from milliliters to centimeters cubed, knowing that 1 centimeter cubed equals 1 milliliter. They're the same size. Step 1. We start with what we know already. Now we make a conversion factor from the equality 1 kilogram equals 2.2 pounds. Now ask yourself, should I put 1 kilogram on top and 2.2 pounds on the bottom, or the other way around? I hope you've answered with kilograms on the bottom. This way we can cancel kilograms and be left with pounds. So now we are done converting mass on the top. We only have to worry about converting volume on the bottom. So we can do our plan to convert volume, which is to go from liters to milliliters using this equality. Now ask yourself, should I put 1,000 milliliters on the top or on the bottom? I hope you have answered to put it on the bottom, because in this case it allows us to cancel the liters, which we already had a liters on the bottom, and when we put a liter on the top we can cancel out liters. We do the last part, which is to show that there is 1 cubic centimeter per milliliter. And we can show that we've canceled milliliters here. We have milliliters divided by milliliters. And that leaves us with pounds per cubic centimeter, which is exactly what we want. So the number for our answer will be 0.55, and the units will be pounds per cubic centimeter. So we found out that actually box A is a lot less dense than box B, so that's the one to go for.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.